The camera is on. Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him!
Power!
People power!
NUP!
Everywhere!
Everywhere!
NUP!
Kunga Chagwanyi kunga!
Kunga!
Kunga Basoga kunga!
Kunga!
Kunga Uganda kunga!
Kunga!
Kunga Banyankole kunga!
Kunga!
Kunga Jinjia North kunga!
Kunga!
Kunga Uganda kunga!
Kunga!
Kunga 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 kunga!
Kunga!
Kunga Uganda kunga!
Kunga!
Kunga Kasarashari kunga!
Kunga!
Kunga Youth Mwena kunga!
Kunga!
People power!
Our power!
Our power!
People power!
NUP!
Everywhere!
Everywhere!
NUP!
Ra!
Ra!
Cha!
Cha!
Out of that, we disperse you until you are cleared. Any other time. Am I loud and clear?
You are not loud and clear.
I'm not loud and clear.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you change the language if you can?
No, I can't.
You can't.
I am Assistant Superintendent of Police Bureau Simon.
Get up.
I am ASP Bureau Simon.
Yes.
Officer in charge, Budondo Police Station. Your presence here is not known.
Kanambe kwao akobi okuba okwefe wano
Takuidi.
tibakuwuliranga nako.
Police has not cleared your presence.
Police tiya tuweze kusarua.
Uganda police Budondo
Uganda police.
Uganda police.
Uganda police has not cleared your function here today.
IGP is not confirmed.
Therefore, I order you kindly by force to disappear.
Disappear from here.
Yes, disappear.
You are dreaming.
We are not going to leave
And you are going to learn a lot of
here.
We are not going.
You told us
We are not moving since morning. I'm tired. I want to show you my characters. We are not living here. This is our master. This is Budondo.
This is Budondo.
This land was
We
we are not living here today.
IGP of Uganda.
We are not coming down. We are not going to go. We are not living here. If you are not nobody is going to cooperate. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We are all Uganda. We are here by you. Don't joke with us. Enough is enough. Don't work on behalf of Uganda because you do what you do.
There is a letter here that we have a people here, Mr. Osi. And now they have sent someone to come here and they have gone to clear.
Why? The camera is on. Shoot him. The camera is on. The world is watching you. Shoot him. The camera is on. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. The world is watching you. Do whatever you want. Kill them. Dictatorship. This is not acceptable. This is Uganda. It's our country. Why do you have to do this to us? We are Ugandans. Why? Dictatorship. This is not right. This is not right. This is not right. This is not right. We are ready to die with you. 2026. Protest the vote.